Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel!
Kore,
Desi!
and today we are reacting to
Again, her favorite.
the Rose Trauma official video, which was released 2 weeks ago and it has around 1.4 million views already. So, yes,
Let's begin. Oh!
somebody is going mad.
로즈의 메시지는 항상 from the beginning it was like heal together. 너무 다른 세계에서 살다가 이렇게 다시 모이는 거잖아.
Let's heal
우리도
together.
나름의 떨어져 있을 동안 뭔가 그런 상처들이 생겼을 거고. 맞아. 같이 힐링이 되겠다. 우리 네 명의 그 관계도. 짠.
Oh. What do they call cheers in Korean? Chang.
I don't know.
They just said.
When I was separated from your arms, I tried to hold on, I couldn't let go. The way you walked away without a sight, 'cause you were hurt too. Now I understand. I wish I had known how to stop you then. I wish I told you I'll be fine without you. Deep down and down and down, deep down inside, I realized I was traumatized.
These are the boo-boos of them four.
Really?
Kind of like somewhat similarity with Labubus, but of these four guys.
I was really into the music
And
and I really want to punch her now. Don't.
Tend to hide. I realized you were traumatized.
four cuties in white.
해주고 싶고 막 도와주고 싶은데 어떻게 해야 될지 몰라서 내가 고마웠던 게 그거였어. 그냥 음악을 해서 이쪽 길에서 이렇게 된 건가라는 생각에 음악을 그만해야 되나라는 생각까지 했었거든.
You every day straight for you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
What?
That's so sweet. They were waiting for him with the moving
It's
Wusang.
definitely about their relationship and how it had its ups and downs
and how each one of them helped each other.
yes, and how they healed together or how they came forward. Because even if you have like a fight with a friend and these people are obviously making music together as a professional group as well, because you have your individual problems, you are struggling mentally. Like one of them said before, he wanted to quit the music industry and everything. So, and then you are a team. So there are a lot of problems.
I am thinking of if I say anything to you that I want to quit something, you would be like, katak. And that's how you will heal me. That's how, her way of healing is, especially for me. Like, what did you say? Now get back.
Then I just stopped, 'cause I got used to it. I learned to live without you in my life. And then I grew up. Now I'm doing fine. I wish you'll hear this song. I was traumatized when you're down and down and down, you tend to hide. I realized you were traumatized.
All four of us just leaned very naturally to the rose.
It's such a beautiful flower, but it has thorns.
눈을 조금만 돌리면 그 말을 들어줄 사람이 분명히 있을 거고.
앞으로 이제 어떤 큰 페스티벌에 서고 어떤 큰 무대에 서게 될지는 모르겠지만 또 다른 시작인 것 같은 느낌이 좀 들어요.
Okay, so now I get where all the feelings, all the soulful music, where it comes from.
Obviously, it
Earlier-
comes from their struggles and their pain and things they feel. Every artist, whatever they are creating, whether it's music or art or any kind of thing they are creating, it comes from
So
various
what's
kind
beneath
of
them, the feelings which were buried and the struggles they were.
realizations and experiences, what they feel. Everything is emerges from there. So yeah, it is all about their relationship, whatever these four as a group have been going through, because it has been a long time that as a group they have dropped any song or
Yes.
anything. Because I have seen Woosung have done a lot of singles, but as a group they were not
that
uh,
active
correct.
recently.
So yeah, they must been facing
yes.
struggles within the group.
And I feel that this is kind of an autobiography song, and the
Story of their
behind the
recent years.
scenes, the behind the scenes.
Yes, story of their recent years, what they have felt or what they have come through.
Yes, it was kind of a memory kind of a song for them, like with all the photos, Polaroids, and all the behind the scenes. So the team must have actually, collected these memories throughout the years.
Yes,
And-
some were recent, some were old.
Hmm.
So that's how.
Earlier, what I thought, the songs we heard of Woosung, that he must have gone through breakup and they were for a lady, and he's like, back to me, and now I don't mind, like I have filled that void and now I can move on.
His voice is quite unique, and yes, it has a pain and a soul in it. That is why I feel really connected to his voice. And even the second vocalist, sorry, I don't know the name of the guy, but he had a small part where he sung.
Yeah.
So it was amazing piece.
And it's like the voices are, kind of even shaking when that feeling has to be portrayed. That, I am not using the right term, shaking is a different term, but in the sense of that, I want to show this pain, so my voice is trembling.
Okay. Yeah, you can't find the right word.
Try to help me.
Yeah, so it was a beautiful song and it was a great story. It was great storytelling.
You must learn that more.
Yeah, I don't know the art of storytelling.
Art of creating stories on the spot.
But yeah, it was their story. So I think
That's it for today, and see you in the next video. Bye.
bye.